Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Bonita Springs local and long-distance movers near me. When you need movers you can trust, hiring 3 Movers is the right option. We provide you with a cheap Bonita Springs moving company you can use for local and long-distance moves. Our team offers all the professional services you need to move your home or your office. With a professional moving team, you'll have less to worry about and you'll know the job gets done right. Getting the right moving company for your long-distance move makes a difference. We offer the right services for your needs. Our team can provide all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing the right Florida moving company isn't easy, and it's not always simple to justify the cost. Looking at the benefits of hiring movers can help you see how the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. You'll gain experienced movers with the ability to ensure your things get from your current home to your new home quickly and safely. You can save time and make sure your most precious possessions are handled correctly. With a team of professional movers, you'll be able to streamline the entire moving process. Choosing 3 movers will make your move go faster. You might need an entire week to pack up and move. Our team can handle your local move in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bonita Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.